Minna no Nihongo N4 Lesson 33 Part 2 Vocabulary 1 Arimas To get a phone call Saki Yuki-san kara denwa ga atta yo. Miss Yuki had called you a while before. Second, recycle. Recycle. Petto bottle o recycle ni dashimasu. I put the pet bottle for recycling. 3. Dame. Not good, not permitted. Asoko e ittara dame desu yo. Do not go that way. 4. Onaji. Same. Kare wa watashi to onaji nenrei desu. He is the same age as me. 6. Keisatsu. Police station. Police officer. Dorobo ga keisatsu ni sukaremata. The thief was caught by the police. 6. Shimekiri. Deadline. このレポートの締め切りはあさってです。The deadline for this report is the day after tomorrow. 7. Kisoku. Rules, regulations. 学校の規則を守るべきです。We must protect the regulations set by the school. 8. 危険 dangerous 地震の時がへ逃げるのが危険です。It is dangerous to run out during earthquakes. 9. 使用禁止使用禁止 do not use 使用禁止は使ってはいませんという意味です。The word 使用禁止 means not permitted for use. 10. 立ち入り禁止 do not enter ここは立ち入り禁止です。There is a no entry zone. Grammar point 3と書いてありますと読みます。Example あの漢字は何と読みますか How do you read this kanji? Example 2あそこに止まれがと書いてあります。It says stop over there. The particle to has the same function as the to in to imasu. Grammar point 4 X. Wa particle Y to you imi this. This form is used when defining X. To you comes to imasu. When inquiring as to the meaning of something, the interrogative to you is used. Example 立ち入り禁止は入るなという意味です。このマークはどういう意味ですか洗濯機で洗えるという意味です。What does this symbol mean? It means it's a machine washable.